Hey, it's Chris at Evolution Powersports. Today I'm going to highlight a new RZR that we just added to our inventory. This is a model year 2018 RZR XP 1000 EPS Ride Command Edition. This one's got some great extras on it. It came to us with the half windshield, poly sport roof, Polaris front bumper, as well as a Polaris rear bumper, Polaris winch. We added Moose utility rims and 30-inch Rocktane tires. Also has the lower door inserts. We'll hop in the cab here. I'll show you all about the Ride Command. You have just a normal home screen here. Shows your RPMs, your miles per hour, your gear position. You can see this one only has 655 miles on it. You click over here. You have the speedometer, tachometer set up. Shows your fuel, shows your engine temp, things such as that. Ride Command does have both a front and rear camera option. You're able to see kind of what's going on a lot better. You have your radio. You can link your phone over here as well for Bluetooth. Does have a live GPS setting as well. So you're able to see where you're going on the trails. You can download trail maps and things such as that. A lot of great things that you get here with your Polaris Ride Command. Hop out here, we'll do a little bit more of a walk around. You'll see here, you have your door speakers for your radio. Seats are in great shape. Body's in overall fantastic condition as well. You have the Walker Evans adjustable shocks with the RZR XP 1000 power steering models. Everything, as I said, in great clean condition. The RZR has gone through the shop, it's been serviced, it's trail ready to go for you. As always, we have some great low rate interest options and aggressive 24-month warranties that we can offer. With this RZR, you have a retail price, $15,995, or financing monthly payments as low as $279 per month with 0 down payment with credit approval. You can add a 24-month full coverage warranty for only an additional $20 per month with approval. That means this RZR can be yours with 0 down payment and only $299 per month. That's only here at Evolution Powersports. You can reach us by phone at 484-624-5045. Send us an email. Reach out to us on the social media platforms as always. Thanks a lot for viewing the video. We look forward to hearing more from you.